Are you tired of battling stubborn belly fat that just won't budge? Frustrated with trying countless diets, exhausting workouts, and still not seeing results? You're not alone. Belly fat isn't just about looks. It affects your confidence, health, and even your energy levels. But what if I told you there's a proven way to tackle this challenge in just 10 days? In this video, we'll reveal the step-by-step strategy to help you shed that unwanted belly fat. No gimmicks, no false promises, just real, actionable advice. Ready to take control of your journey and see the results you've been dreaming of? Losing belly fat isn't easy, but it's far from impossible. In fact, with the right combination of diet, exercise, and mindset, you can kickstart a noticeable transformation in just 10 days. Today, we'll break it down into 6 simple yet powerful steps so you can follow along and finally make progress where it matters most. Stick with me until the end, because we'll also cover the mistakes to avoid and tips to sustain your results. The science behind belly fat. Why is belly fat so hard to lose, and what makes it dangerous? Belly fat, or visceral fat, isn't just about aesthetics. It's linked to health risks like heart disease, diabetes, and inflammation. It's also notoriously stubborn due to hormonal factors like cortisol and insulin resistance. Understanding this is the first step to tackling it. To lose belly fat effectively, you need to focus on reducing overall body fat through a combination of strategies that boost metabolism, control cravings, and balance hormones. Now that we know why it's so challenging, what's the first actionable step to start losing belly fat? Create a calorie deficit without starving yourself. How can you cut calories without feeling hungry all the time? The secret is to eat smarter, not less. Focus on nutrient-dense, low-calorie foods like lean proteins, vegetables, and healthy fats. Start by swapping refined carbs for whole grains, incorporating more fiber to keep you full, drinking water before meals to reduce appetite. Tracking your meals with an app can also help you stay within your calorie goals while ensuring you get all the nutrients you need. But cutting calories is just one part of the equation. What about exercise? High intensity, interval training. Why is HIIT considered the best workout for burning belly fat? HIIT alternates between short bursts of intense activity and rest, making it a time-efficient way to burn calories and target stubborn fat. In just 20 to 30 minutes, HIIT can boost your metabolism and continue burning calories even after your workout. For example, a simple HIIT routine could include 30 seconds of sprinting, followed by 30 seconds of walking. Repeat for 10 minutes. Bodyweight exercises like burpees, jump squats, and mountain climbers. This workout is adaptable to all fitness levels and can be done anywhere. But exercise alone isn't enough. What should you eat to accelerate results? The belly fat busting diet. What foods should you prioritize and which ones should you avoid? The belly fat busting diet focuses on reducing inflammation and stabilizing blood sugar. Key components include foods to include leafy greens, berries, and avocados for antioxidants, salmon, eggs, and nuts for healthy fats and proteins, green tea and apple cider vinegar to boost metabolism. Foods to avoid: sugary drinks, fried foods, and processed snacks. Excess alcohol, which directly contributes to belly fat. Meal prep and planning are crucial to staying consistent. Make sure your meals are balanced and don't skip breakfast to kickstart your metabolism. Eating well is crucial, but what lifestyle changes can speed up your progress? Lifestyle tweaks that make a big difference. What small changes can help you lose belly fat faster? Lifestyle plays a huge role in weight loss. Here are some game-changing tips. Get quality sleep. Aim for 7 to 8 hours of uninterrupted sleep to balance hunger hormones. Reduce stress. Practice mindfulness or yoga to lower cortisol levels. Stay active. Incorporate more movement throughout the day, like walking after meals or taking the stairs. These small adjustments can amplify the results of your diet and exercise routine. Now, What are the mistakes you must avoid to prevent sabotaging your progress? Common mistakes that prevent results. What are the most common pitfalls people face when trying to lose belly fat? Avoid these mistakes. Relying on fad diets. Extreme diets may work short-term but are rarely sustainable. Skipping meals, starving yourself, slows down your metabolism. Overtraining. Too much exercise without recovery can lead to burnout. Not tracking progress. Without measuring results, it's easy to lose motivation. Understanding these traps will help you stay on course and achieve sustainable results. So, how can you ensure these 10 days set the foundation for long-term success? How to sustain results beyond 10 days. What can you do to maintain your progress after the 10 days are over? The key to long-term success is building habits you can stick to. Focus on gradually increasing exercise intensity, experimenting with new healthy recipes to avoid boredom, setting new achievable goals to keep yourself motivated. Consistency is more important than perfection. Remember, it's not about what you do for 10 days. It's about what you do for life. Losing belly fat in just 10 days is challenging but achievable if you focus on the right strategies. Remember, it's not about extreme measures. It's about smart choices. With a calorie deficit, effective workouts, mindful eating, and the right lifestyle changes, you can start seeing real results in no time. Most importantly, stay patient and consistent, because this journey is about much more than just losing fat. It's about becoming the healthiest, happiest version of yourself. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more actionable tips and strategies. Now that you've got some powerful tools for burning fat, if you're ready to take it to the next level, check out my recommended resources below. The Custom Keto Diet, the Smoothie Diet, and Eat Stop Eat are all specially designed programs that help you reach your goals faster. Just click the links in the description to find the one that's best for you and get started on your journey to a healthier, fitter you. Let's make those goals a reality.